This is a review and overview of the Pulse Fitness Center on Norwegian Cruise Line's Encore ship. This is located on deck 16 towards the rear of the ship. As you enter in, you see the cardio machines. They have a lot of treadmills. There's some recumbent bikes, some elliptical machines. This is the free weight area section, which is very small. In the mornings, this area is extremely crowded, extremely packed. We weren't able to use this area. To the left, there are some weight machines, several different styles, several different weight machines. There's some free weights over here, some cable machines here towards the rear, and you can see more cardio machines along the glass windows. Now, this ship is designed to carry 4,000 passengers. This gym just does not match that passenger capacity. There's just not enough room in this gym. It's very small, it's very cramped, low ceilings. During prime gym hours, probably from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., the gym is extremely packed. We were not able to use the gym during those times because it was so busy. There was weights for cardio machines. The free weight area was very busy. So I'd say if you're going to use the gym or need to use the gym, use it on off hours, maybe in the evenings, maybe during dinner times or things like that. This is a group fitness area. There is a bigger classroom area here where you can pay to use cycle machines in group classes. There's also some rowing machines there. This area was hardly used. I never saw anyone in here, but that is an option to use. So plan your gym use accordingly. I would recommend using it in off hours so that you can have access to the equipment and machines and weights that you'd like to. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.